Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3C curly hair and showing you how to achieve a stunning layered haircut. Layered haircuts can add volume, definition, and dimension to your curls, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have the following supplies ready. Having the right tools at hand will make the process smoother and help you achieve professional-looking results. Start by washing your 3C curls with a sulfate-free shampoo and a hydrating conditioner. This will ensure that your hair is clean and well moisturized, making it easier to work with. Rinse thoroughly and gently detangle your hair using the wide-toothed comb while the conditioner is still in. Divide your hair into manageable sections. Clip up the top layer to work on the bottom layer first. This makes it easier to ensure even cutting and layering. For the base layer, decide how short you want the shortest layer to be. Starting with this length, cut your hair straight across. Make sure to trim only a small amount at a time to avoid cutting too much. Once you've established the base layer, release the top section and let it fall over the base layer. Use the base layer as a guide and cut the top layer slightly longer, creating a subtle graduated effect. Continue this process until you've layered your entire head. To blend the layers seamlessly, take vertical sections of hair and point cut to create softer textured ends. This technique will help your curls fall naturally and blend together beautifully. Once you're satisfied with your layered haircut, style your curls as desired. You can use curl-enhancing products or diffusers to accentuate your natural curl pattern. Experiment with different styles to see what works best for you. Layered haircuts can work wonders for 3C curly hair, adding bounce and dimension to your locks. With the right tools, techniques, and a little practice, you can achieve a fabulous layered look that complements your curls perfectly. Thanks for tuning in to our tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more curly hair tips and tricks.